Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a barista-style milkshake. We'll begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll want to choose a high-quality ice cream, about 200 grams, and fresh, cold milk, around 200 milliliters. Don't forget your favorite flavorings, like a rich chocolate syrup or a vibrant fruit puree. Having a powerful blender and chilled glasses ready will set you up for success. Now, let's achieve that perfect, creamy consistency. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of ice cream to milk. For example, 200 grams of ice cream to 200 milliliters of milk. Begin blending on a low setting to gently break down the ice cream. Then, gradually increase the speed, blending for about 30 to 60 seconds until smooth and thick. Avoid overblending to prevent a watery texture. Next, let's talk about customizing your milkshake to perfection. For deep flavors, add ingredients like a shot of espresso or fresh fruit purees directly into the blender with your ice cream and milk. If you love texture, incorporate mix-ins such as crushed cookies or candy pieces after the initial blending. You can also adjust the sweetness with a small amount of simple syrup or a natural sweetener to taste. Finally, presentation is key to a true barista experience. Pour your freshly blended milkshake into a chilled glass. This helps keep it cold longer. Elevate its appearance with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a decadent drizzle of chocolate or caramel sauce, or a classic maraschino cherry. Remember to serve your masterpiece immediately to ensure maximum creaminess and a delightful, refreshing temperature. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.